If you have a classic motorcycle, you're most likely faced with the fact that your headlight uses vintage H5 bulbs, also known as R2, G40 and P45T. But what if you don't want to change the headlight? So today I'll talk about the headlight conversion. Maybe you'll ask, why do I need this? I can just buy a new bulb. Yes and no. Nowadays it's not so easy to find them, especially on the road. And the second reason is performance. Let's check the difference between this one and H4 bulb. As you can see, H4 works much better. So what about the conversion? The easiest way is to buy an adapter, not expensive, easy to use, but I lose them all the time. The cheapest way is to fit it by yourself. First, we need to set the lamp exactly in the center. To fit it perfectly, I made an adapter from what was handy. Make sure that the marks on the bulb and the headlight match. Now we mark the position of the bulb, and with a needle file gently remove about a millimeter. If it's done correctly, our lamp shouldn't move. And the last way, but not the most obvious, is to find an H4 cartridge. On some cars they are removable, like this one. This one is from Lada 2107. Perfectly fit, don't need modification, one-time installation. So what do you think of that?